Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to fix the your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First of all, open your Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for Google Chrome. Now tap on Google Chrome browser. Now check update your Google Chrome browser. My Google Chrome browser already updated to the latest version. Okay, now open your Google Chrome browser. Tap on three-dot line option and scroll down. Then tap on settings option. Scroll down. Again tap on private and security option. Scroll down. Then tap on safe browsing. Scroll down. Select no protection not recommended. Select now. Turn off. Okay, back and scroll down always use secure connection, and now turn off always use secure connection. And I hope easily solve your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.